Hey guys, it's Destin. We're on scene of an unknown odor, and Hazmat 18 is on scene. Very rare unit, along with Rescue 18. Hazmat 18 does not get very many calls. Very rare unit on scene with the Rescue 18. Walk over to the main scene over here. And I already have pictures of this truck, so you can find them on my website and Flickr with the lights on at this team call. Very large unit. Very large response by the county. Engine, 2 rescues, battalion, and hazmat unit. Very large response. Here's Rescue 21. This is the station right behind them. The 21's base, but Rescue 21 on scene. And there's Engine 21 over here. That's at the Palm City Nutrition, I think, where the odor was. They also have a battalion chief here. It's Engine 21. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, y'all. See you later. Check out my website and Flickr. Bye.